Hi everyone, this is Rangareddy. Now I gonna explain about introduction of C language. First we will learn about what is language. It is set of rules and used for communication. Every language has some set of rules, and if we want to communicate in the language we have to learn the rules of particular language. Next, what is computer language? It is also a language that is used to communicate with machines and some other electronic devices. Let us see some examples to understand why we are communicate with machines. Example 1. If we want to withdraw our money, we will go to the bank. It takes so much time for filling up withdrawal form and collect money from cashier. So in place of them, ATM machines will give our money fast and it takes less time. Now we are see example 2. What is the value of 5 factorial? Everybody say 120 as fast. But what is the value of 120 factorial? Will you give answer fast? No. So to calculate fast, we can use machines like calculator, mobile phone. How the programming languages use to us? Human beings can understand different languages like Telugu, English, Hindi. The universal language is English because English known everyone, so that we can communicate with all over the world with help of the English language only. But human beings do not communicate directly with machines because the devices are not understand human languages. The machines only understand binary language, which means zeros ones. See one example. A person knows Telugu only and other person knows English only, but the two people want to communicate each other because language problem they can't. They need a person who knows Telugu and English to make communication with them. If human wants to communicate with machines, one mediator is required, that is programming languages. Through programming languages, humans can interact with the machines easily. There are different types of programming languages are there, like C, C++, Java, Python, .NET. Why learn C as first computer language? Now we are see some other languages. Basic language. It is used for calculation only. COBOL, it is used for business purpose only. Pascal is also used some other calculation purpose only. Photon is used for scientific purpose only. This all features are included in C language. Compare the above languages, is space and speed is less, so we can choose C language as first programming language. History of C language. In 1960 at Cambridge University developed the ALGOL language, which means algorithm language, developed in 1960. In 1963 at the same university developed the CPL language, which means combined programming languages. In 1967 Martin Richards developed the BCPL language, which means basic combined programming language. In 1970 Ken Thompson, he is colleague of Dennis Ritchie, developed the B language. In 1970 Dennis Ritchie developed the C language. C language is developed at Bell Laboratories of American Telephone and Telegraph located in USA. Dennis Ritchie is known as founder of C programming language. Dennis Ritchie is an American famous computer scientist. He developed the C language with the help of Ken Thompson. Both are long-time colleagues. While developing C language, they are developed another Unix operating system also. Both were awarded the Alan Turing Award from the ACM in 1983. Alan Turing Award is the topmost award in computer science field. Now we are see structure of C. First, documentation section or commentary section. It is used for understanding the program. Any statement, any message in comments, then the corresponding statement will not be compiled and will not be executed. Then header file section or linking section. Header file is a collection of library functions like #include studio.h, #include konya.h. Studio means standard input output header file. Konya means console input output header file. Corresponding functions are already declared in header file, like printf and scanf functions already defining in studio header file, and clear screen and getch functions already declared in Konya.h header file. Studio.h and Konya.h we are called as libraries. Here less than greater than symbols we are called as angular brackets. Then global variable section. Variables are two types, local variable and global variable. Local variable, those variables used only inside a main function. Global variable, we can use variable throughout the program and anywhere in the program. Then main function section. Any C program is a collection of functions. Any C program contains at least one function, that is main function. Without main function we can't write any C program. Execution of C program always starts with main function only. Main function mainly contains two parts, one declaration part and second execution part. What we are declared in program declared at declaration part, then execution part, program ended with curly bracket. Next, user defined function section. It is not mandatory, optional only. We can create number of user defined functions, depends on the program. Function definition statement never ends with semicolon. Now we are see small example. First, basic structure of C. It is the documentation part. Then header file section. Hash include studio.h, hash include konya.h. Next, void main function. Execution of the program start with main function only. Then open curly bracket. Clear screen function. It is clears the previous output and print the new output only. End with semicolon, which means every statement end with semicolon, which means statement is completed. Then printf, what we are want in output we must say in printf only. We can use clear screen function after printf. Program will execute but don't show the output to us. It clears the current output also. So we must use clear screen function before the printf function. Then getch function we can use for program execution. Program end with end curly bracket. Then to save the program we can use F2 key. Every C program must and should contains file extension .c. To compile the program we can use shortcut keys Alt plus F9 or Alt plus C. Here compiler identifies the grammatical errors of any present there. Then we have to correct those mistakes and run the program. To run the program by using Ctrl plus F9 or Ctrl plus R. After this we get output of the program. The output is, this is my first C program. Thank you for watching.